Well, folks, we're on day number 2 of our log cabin dismantling project, and anyway, I'm gonna give you an update, show you what we found. I'm standing in the room next to this, and one of the things we discovered is that there's an interior log wall here where that thick door jamb is. And you can see how some of the logs were installed here. They skipped some of them for some reason, but there's this other set of notches right over here next to it from an addition that was put on it in this direction towards me. Guys are taking off the floor above me, so I got to get out of here. But this is what the inside of the first floor walls look like. And the floor joists are about, I don't know, 30 inches apart. They're 5 by 6, and they're really too skinny to be doing this job, except for the fact that there's a bearing wall next to me, so they work. You can see they've cut off the floor joists up there to get this next section out, and there's actually a log room next to it here. 3 sides of it are log, and the logs are really small by comparison to these logs, so we're not even going to try and salvage that. We're just filling up the room with our garbage. And anyhow, I gotta go around and measure all these openings. As there's more than normal doors and windows here. So you got one door on that side, which we refer to as the right side. And then we got a door over here. And another door over here. And that's because the cabin was probably added onto in this direction here. So some old doorways probably got, or windows got converted to doorways. Yeah, I think you can see that right here, as a matter of fact. Down to about here, that's a fresh cut in the log, and that's an original cut there. So we had a windowsill going through here, and that was cut out to create the new door opening. So anyway, some of the other cool things we found are these panels that line that one room back there, and we got a cool door over here, but the back side of it is pretty well beat, pretty weather beaten because it was facing the sunroom. But got a cool doorknob. But these panels here, one of the guys is going to take home and use in his kitchen. So they're getting the floor up out there, and I'm really not gonna try and save the floor joists. They're kind of cool, but like I said earlier, they're too small to do the job of a floor joist. So anyway, over here in this section, we've got You got a huge opening for that fireplace. We got a big door opening over here, which I think extends all the way over here to that outlet. So we've got a 10-foot hole in that wall. Super skinny floor joists again. And now we've got a big opening in this wall over here. And then to top it off, we got another door and a window over here, which to me makes it really unusable. The logs are in better condition than the ones that we're taking out right now, but I don't think we're going to salvage it. I might take this cool door though, except for the fact that some critter got after it down there and it's now kind of worthless. But I might take it just for the glass and the cool doorknob. Anyhow, thanks for watching, folks. See you on our next log cabin adventure.